Hello everyone, it's May 20th. Alright, another early day, early morning session. Let's take a look at what we have today. Nothing of comment of concern. Alright, let's go for it. Binary tree level order traversal. It's a tree. Looks to be a simple question. Alright, see if we can do it fast. Given the root of binary tree, return the level order traversal of its node's value from left to right, level by level. Okay, so I think I've done this before. I seriously think I've done this before. And I remember, yeah, I've done this before, and I remember I didn't do it in a very smart way, and the answer is a very smart answer. Okay, what was the answer? I mean, you can definitely do BFS, right? Wait, isn't this just BFS? I think this is just BFS, right? All right, I'm not sure. Let's take a look at the. Let's find some new things to go for. Yeah, get it complicated. Let's just see. It's just BFS, right? So this is gonna be what, like 3, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and everything. 3, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a peanut butter. Yeah, and then this just no, this is not the same as what I had before. I think this is just a BFS. All right, it's well, they throw a very easy ball today. I'm confident that this is just BFS. I mean, it's fine. Just, practice BFS one more time. It could be helpful. All right, as we do this, I was trying to find something yesterday on Mac OS. I want to find if it is possible to keep a window on top. It's like always on top. Well, apparently it is possible. However, the way that it's possible to call an app is called a float. And in order to install this app, you have to install another thing which is called MacForge. It used to be called Symbol, but now it becomes MacForge. But to install that one, so like a float is a plugin, a MacForge is something that you use to handle these plugins. And to install the MacForge, you have to downgrade the security level of your MacBook, your Mac OS. You downgrade it, you have to like do a bunch of command lines, and then have to enter the what's that? The security mode. What's that? What's that mode? Safe mode, something like that. You have to enter the safe mode and then downgrade some of the requirements, right? And then you can use it. I just sounds fishy to me, but it turns out I think it's not really possible to do this natively, right? They didn't provide you with a solution just to like pin a window always on top, right? I want to see if it's possible because I have some idea for the application that I want to do, but it depends on whether I can make this happen. Anyway, all right, let's see. So what we have, while queue, right? While queue. So we go in, if I remember right. So we go to temp, and for node in queue, and we say, actually, res is going to be root.val. Oh, it depends. It could be 0. So if it's okay, so if not root, return, and it's empty, right? Then if it is root, I put root in the queue, put in the result, and we have temp, and then we just say if node.left, temp.append, node. Hold a sec. That's not true. Yeah, that's true. Left. And temp okay, rest.append for each level. Rest.append a new thing. Oh, I think I don't need to do this way, right? We can just do results this, go into side, and then we just say rest last one dot append node.val, right? And then we push into the temp if node.write temp.append node.write. Once we're done, q equals temp, right? And I'll go back up, queue up is the next level. Next level, we get a new temp, and then we push another one in, and then we go through this. And eventually, we're going to return res. Okay, let's take a look if it's correct. All right, I'll run code. Okay. Edge case. Actually, I'm not sure. Like this should be the empty. Yeah. How about on 1? And wait a sufficient amount of time. Yep. And last test will be this. We'll pass this, then we're gonna submit it. Yep, seems legit. Oh no, here, submit. Pending. Yep, we got it. So it is just a DFS. Nothing special, just DFS. Simple, not DFS. BFS. BFS, simple BFS. ON, because each node is visited once, and how long does it take? 32 milliseconds with 80%. Alright, so this must be an easy question. I should have a solution too. Oh, it doesn't have a solution. But that's fine. Problems. Yeah, that is. I suspect this is gonna be like a question like early on. It's not a medium. I don't think this one is a medium. Oh, I think the other one is the more complicated one. It's 102. Okay, so LeetCode 102. All right. Discussion, just BFS. The Q. Oh, with DFS, you're just giving yourself more trouble. Why? Why you do? Yeah, you can. You can. Yeah, I can see how DFS can go. Just as you go down, every time you go down, and then you check. Oh yeah. I know. So every time you go down a deeper level, you see the length of. I'm actually gonna write it. Yeah, it's a good practice for DFS as well. And I even think it's gonna be shorter. Right? So DFS is gonna be def DFS. We need a node. It's gonna be a tree node. And we're gonna not return anything, right? We're not gonna return anything. So we need a res in the result, and we say if node, right? If node, and we say, oh, we probably need a level as well. Yeah, we do need a level. We need a level, which is the int, and we say if, right? If len res is equal to level. If they're the same, that means we have to res.append a new one. And actually, we can .append node.value. Else, we say res level, right? Res level .append node.value. Actually, we can just do .append this, right? And then we do this. After we do this, we're gonna say DFS node.left level +1 and DFS node.right level plus 1. And we're going to return res. And I think this can even handle the edge case by itself. Okay. Submission. I've not done this one before. Huh. All right. Try it out. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Because I haven't caught it yet. I have this happen to me all the time. You have to call it first. Level 0. I forgot to call the DFS. Name node is not, it's not node, it's root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's do this. Yep, I think this is correct. Try it. Oh, wow. Give me even faster. How? Don't care. Because I mean, at this level, it's too short. Like the runtime is too short, so there'll be a lot of fluctuations. It doesn't really matter. So this is going to be DFS, right? So we have two versions. Honestly, DFS looks easier to write. Okay, I don't think it's necessary, but let's just take a look. Wrap list, yeah, that's fine. When are these written? 2018. Wow, it's a long time ago. Yeah, this is sufficient. That's true. All right, we got this one. But I want to go for the other similar question. I think there's a 2. Yeah, this one. I think I did this one. Yeah, last year, sometime last year. What is this one? Return the bottom up level order. Oh, so instead of top down, we return bottom up. I have. Oh, ah. Oh, I use BFS the same way. Why you use a level? Oh, because I'm not using 2 queues. That's why I have to use a level. And I have to append. And dot append. Yeah, we have to use a level, but with these we don't need to use a level. And we just return this reverse it. What is the other question that? Oh, I think that's relink. The question is link. It's to link the horizontally. That's the one that I got a bit trouble. Let me think if I can still remember. To create horizontal links. I think this can be done by, I think it's recursion, right? Horizontal link. So I think the thing is just for every node, we want to link horizontally to the right. So if I have a root, how do I link? Well, I don't know. So it's only if I have 2 children, then I can link the children, no problem. So how to link the children with the children from the other subtree? There's a smart way of solving this. I gotta think about it. I wanna remember. I remember how I did it. Can I find a question? It'll be hard to find a question. I think the question is called horizontal link, something like that. It's one of the challenge. Horizontal link, reversed link, cycle, palindrome link, intersection, remove link, flatten tree, multi-level, convert, remove max points. This is a very hard one. I don't remember how I solved it. If I got hit with this one again, which one? This one. I'll have a problem. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Where is the? I don't know. I don't remember where the problem is, but I need to think about it. Anyway, so we are early today, so I want to share with you guys a library I found yesterday. This is a very good one that I actually can try. It's called Python typing cones. I actually don't know what cones stand for, but this one basically helps you practice the typing. I mean, Python doesn't have typing, but typing is very, very good. But in order to do typing correctly, you need practice. And I've been trying to do typing in all the code I wrote, but it's difficult. I mean, not difficult in terms of internal, like the default type, the typing that's offered by Python. It's not hard. Like if you and I can look at here, right? We have a tree node. And the class name can be used as types. So we have types here and other types here. This is easy to do. But what is difficult to do is when you handle like a type of a function, right? Or typing of a third-party library, and this is sometimes hard. And actually, most of the time when you do typing, it's just the signature of the function. I mean, inside, like I don't do typing at all, which I mean technically you should, but sometimes I don't. But it's fine. But mainly it's the functions, right? What you accept and what you return. If you have types here, that can already give you like a tremendous amount of help. So this library basically have exercises, right? They have exercises here, and then you just need to correct the exercise, correct the error, like this one's error, this one's error, and this one's error, right? You correct the errors, and you run. Basically, what this runs is it just runs MyPy, and then to check, right? And then if you can finish all of them, then you're good, right? Otherwise, give you bad result. And they're asking for async examples. I never use async myself. And also like common third-party libraries. Anyway, I think typing is very important, very, very important. But it's hard to do, especially if the system is complicated and the typing itself it can be a rabbit hole. Like you fall into it and you can't figure out how to do it. I mean, in JavaScript, I was not writing TypeScript, which I should, but currently it's still JavaScript, and I use flow typing, and this thing just eats a lot of my time. If I hit a problem, try it. Like if I cannot get it in like an hour or two, I'll just say comment it out and don't do typing on that line. But I do believe typing is the key. We cannot throw away typing, but not like strict typing. Like this is a question. Like, do you require strict typing or just optional typing? Like Python is optional typing, right? JavaScript can be optional typing as well. But you know what? No. Typing needs to be strict. Like for production level, right? It's just Python can be used for prototyping. When you prototype, you kind of get the logic to work. But once you go into production level, you need type. It saves you a lot of headache. A lot of bugs will be found during the. I mean, they don't have compilation stage, but during the MyPy check, it can give you error already. But anyway, so that's the one. I might find time to practice this, but I'll first try to figure out that question. All right, that will be it. That'll be it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Adios.